experience. Dati, we were talking about Barcelona. Ano ba yung pinaka pwede niyo masabi sa amin? About
First
Barcelona.
of all, gusto mo namin mag-thank you kasi diba nga, nilaunch namin yung official trailer ng movie 2 days ago.
Yes.
And thank you kasi
Trending.
naka 2 million views na.
Wow!
Nice!
Ang saya. Thank you so much and salamat sa mga magagandang feedbacks. And of course, Barcelona, A Love Untold, September 14. Sabay-sabay natin yan panoorin.
Wait. Katulad na lang, ito itong paghawak ng kamay, it tells us something eh. Yung love,
What's that something?
ano nga yan eh?
That's something.
O kami ni Diego, mag-holding hands naman.
Oo
Ano
nga eh.
something?
Ano ba yung untold
Ano yun?
stories about yung
Pwede
mga...
ba
bakit
i-told na
untold?
natin? Can we told it now?
Can we told it?
Parang gusto na ata malaman ng mga Katnieles.
You told us now.
Wait lang, bakit untold stories?
Yun yung
Story
isa.
lang, isa lang siya.
Sa story.
Parang horror stories to.
May part 1, part 2 pa to. O ba?